What's up, everybody? Marente here. Welcome to my trade review titled The Trades That Got Me Funded. This is a special video for me because this is the first time I've passed a prop firm challenge. It was just a 25K Apex challenge, but that's what I wanted to start out with, just to prove to myself that I can in fact do this without getting in my own way. So we'll just hop in to these last two trades that I took to finish the account off. We're on MMQ on Friday, July 21st, and I'd like to focus on is this 2 o'clock hour. Now I don't have the executions here because this account doesn't actually exist anymore since they switched it over to a funded one, but Apex wipes those out anyway at the end of the day, so I wouldn't have them anyhow. But anyway, back into it. So right at the 2 o'clock hour, I was focusing on this breaker block here that kind of developed at 8 a.m. and it already kind of rejected once in the morning, and we were kind of coming back up to it. And I didn't trade off of this, but I just wanted to see what it was going to react as. So I got a nice reversal, and then we got this continuation here. And within that continuation, we had this FVG here, and then also, which I actually didn't notice at the time, but it's kind of neat to see in hindsight here, was this inverted FVG right there that it just barely touched, it looks like. But what got me into it was once it closed with this kind of shooter candle here, I entered one contract, and then once it broke under midnight, I added another two, because I was about $200 away from passing this. So I was going to risk just the wick of this to see if I couldn't get through, finish this account off. But got a nice dump straight down to the sell side, which is, I think I quickly took those two off at these equal lows just in case, because I didn't want to hurt this account too much, just in case this wasn't going to go my way. And then I took the last one off at this sell side liquidity, which was Thursday's low that I thought we were going to hit. And I really liked that we didn't quite hit it in the morning, which gave me some pretty good reasoning that we were going to try and go for it at some point later in the day. And then it came down to this sell side from 15,529 that I had marked out, which I think was, bear with me here. Yeah, it's July 13th, Thursday, this little kind of swing low here that I had marked out. So I'll go back on over to Friday. So this got me most of the way. I think it was $50 away at that point, and I pretty much went another two contracts at the end of this candle, thinking that we weren't going to just bounce right back up. I think I would get just a little bit of a move, so I just grabbed another two contracts just to finish her off. And I think right when it got to back down to this 15,530 level, that I hit my mark and just bailed on the play from there, because that's all I needed. But you know, this is a big moment for me in my trading career, and I am overall pretty proud of it. And here I posted my little certificate here that you got to do when you get one of these. Just kind of what you have to do. So it's really cool. Really, I hope you enjoyed this. I'll try to get some more. I'm going to take a little bit of a break from trading, at least. Definitely not going to trade that funded account, at least for another week or two, just to kind of let this kind of calm down. I've heard horror stories of people just kind of blowing their funded accounts right away, so I'll just take a little break from that and maybe do some paper or just step away for a minute. But anyway, hope you like this quick review, and until next time, happy trading.